Number 1. Belfast. The Belfast spindle wedge is a powerful tool designed specifically for forestry professionals. With a proven track record of thousands of successful uses and outstanding longevity, it is the top choice for harvesting wood. One of the unique features of the Belfast spindle wedge is its ability to be used with a measuring tape for precision control. This feature sets it apart from other spindle wedges on the market and makes it an even more valuable tool for forestry professionals who demand accuracy and efficiency in their work. If you're looking for a high-quality, reliable spindle wedge for your forestry work, the Belfast is definitely worth considering. Its durability and precision control make it a valuable asset to any forestry professional's toolkit.
Number 2. Pumpfast. The Bosch VAC Complete Set is a cost-effective and efficient way to upgrade your car trailer and make your life easier. With just a few minutes of installation time, you can have a fully functional hydraulic system that will save you time and effort when loading and unloading heavy equipment.
Number 3. Northern Industrial Hand Truck 6-Wheeled Stair Climber. The Northern Industrial Hand Truck is a specialized hand truck that features 6 wheels and is designed to easily climb stairs. This makes it the perfect tool for individuals who frequently need to move heavy loads up and down stairs, such as movers or delivery personnel. The 6 wheels on the hand truck provide added stability and balance, making it easier to navigate uneven surfaces and stairs. This feature can help reduce the risk of injury and damage to the load being transported. The Northern Industrial Hand Truck is also built to be durable and long-lasting. It features a sturdy construction and is made with high-quality materials that can withstand regular use and heavy loads.
Number 4. Nordtrack Towable Backhoe Trencher. The Nordtrack Towable Backhoe Trencher is a powerful and versatile machine that is designed for excavation and digging tasks. It features a 15 HP engine and is towable, which means it can be easily transported to different job sites. With its backhoe and trencher attachments, the Nordtrack Towable Backhoe Trencher can handle a wide range of excavation and digging tasks. Whether you need to dig a trench for a new water line or excavate a foundation for a building, this machine can get the job done quickly and efficiently. The Nordtrack Towable Backhoe Trencher is also built to be durable and reliable. It features a sturdy construction and is made with high-quality materials that can withstand heavy use and tough conditions.
Number 5. Fiskars Claw Weeder. The Fiskars Claw Weeder is a gardening tool designed to make it easy to remove weeds from your lawn or garden. It features a unique claw design that allows you to grip the entire weed, including the roots, and pull it out of the ground with minimal effort. At 39 inches in length, the Fiskars Claw Weeder is long enough to help reduce strain on your back and knees while you work. This makes it an ideal tool for anyone who spends a lot of time gardening or landscaping.
Number 6. VAC Master 6-gallon 5-peak HP Wet Dry Shop Vacuum. The VAC Master 6-gallon 5-peak HP Wet Dry Shop Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool that is perfect for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. With its powerful 5-peak horsepower motor, it is capable of providing strong suction power to pick up even the most stubborn debris and messes. In addition to its strong suction capabilities, the VAC Master also comes with a detachable blower feature. This allows you to quickly and easily convert the vacuum into a powerful blower, making it ideal for outdoor cleaning tasks like clearing leaves and debris from your yard or driveway. The vacuum also comes with a 1 to 1/4 inch hose, which makes it easy to reach into tight spaces and clean hard-to-reach areas. The 6-gallon tank capacity means you can clean for longer without having to stop and empty the tank.
Number 7. Craftsman Compressor Combo Kit. The Craftsman Compressor Combo Kit is a versatile and powerful toolkit that includes a 6-gallon pancake compressor and 3 essential tools: a brad nailer, a stapler, and a finish nailer. The compressor features a pancake-style tank design, which makes it stable and easy to transport. It also has a 150 psi maximum pressure, which means it can handle a wide range of pneumatic tools and applications. The 3 included tools are designed to make quick work of various carpentry tasks. The brad nailer is ideal for installing trim and molding, while the stapler is perfect for attaching fabric or upholstery. The finish nailer is great for larger woodworking projects like building furniture. The kit also comes with a 25-foot air hose, which gives you plenty of length to reach your work area. The quick connect fittings make it easy to switch between tools, and the oil-free pump requires minimal maintenance. Number 8. Canergy 4V Electric Screwdriver. The Canergy 4V electric screwdriver is a compact and powerful tool that is perfect for small projects and DIY tasks around the home. With a 2000 mAh USB rechargeable battery, this cordless power screwdriver can deliver up to 38-in-1 adjustable torque, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of the Canergy electric screwdriver is its LED light. This light illuminates your work area, making it easy to see what you are working on even in low light conditions. The adjustable torque feature also allows you to control the power output, ensuring that you have the right amount of force for the task at hand. The screwdriver comes with 38 different bits, which makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of tasks. Whether you are assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or working on electronics, this screwdriver has the right bit for the job. Number 9. Rotary Toolkit. The Handstar Rotary Toolkit is a powerful and versatile tool set that includes 180 pieces and is perfect for a wide range of grinding, carving, polishing, and drilling tasks. With a 130W motor and 6 variable speeds, this rotary tool can deliver between 10,000 and 35,000 RPM, giving you the power and precision you need for any project. One of the standout features of the Handstar Rotary Toolkit is the large LED display screen, which makes it easy to see the speed setting and other important information. The kit also comes with a flex shaft, which allows you to reach tight spaces and angles with ease. The kit includes 180 pieces, including grinding wheels, sanding discs, cutting discs, polishing pads, and more. This makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of tasks, including cutting, drilling, sanding, and polishing. The carrying case makes it easy to store and transport the kit, while also protecting it from damage. The kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, metalworkers, and anyone who needs a powerful and versatile tool for their projects.
Number 10. Beverplay Compactor. The Beverplay Compactor is a powerful and efficient tool that is perfect for compacting a wide range of surfaces, including walkways, patios, asphalts, and paver landscaping. With a 6.5 HP 196cc gas engine and a powerful 5,600 VPM, this plate compactor can deliver up to 4,200 pounds of force, making it ideal for even the toughest jobs. The plate compactor features a 22.1 by 15.9 inch plate that is perfect for compacting large areas quickly and efficiently. The plate is made from high-quality materials and is designed to provide long-lasting durability, even in harsh working conditions. The Beverplay Compactor is easy to operate and features a user-friendly design that makes it easy to control and adjust the speed and force of the machine. This allows you to customize the level of compaction to suit the specific needs of your project.